Hi, I'm Anthony from the London Electric Radiator Company, and I've got a video here on how to use the controller on the Aeroflow range of heaters. That heater there is a 1300 watt Aeroflow Lot 20 heater. So there's the control panel. It's just got the display and 3 buttons, up, down and OK. Look a bit closer now, we'll look at manually setting the thermostat. So we'll just zoom in on the panel. You can see there's like a head and shoulders. That means that the panel is in manual mode. It can either be in manual or timed mode. So it's in manual at the moment. The big number is the temperature of the room. The one below is what the thermostat's set to, and those wavy lines mean that it is actually heating the room at the moment. So I'm just simply to alter the temperature of the thermostat setting. You just can go up or down. I've just pushed it up to 20. After a few seconds it goes back to the main screen. So the room temperature is still 15.5 degrees, but I've changed the setting up to 20. So now this heater will heat that room to 20 degrees and keep it at 20 degrees. So now we're going to look at setting the day and time. Back on the display, double click OK, configuration. Go into that and then scroll through until you come to set the time. In you go, select which day it is, and then literally scroll the time up and down to the correct time. When you get there, press OK, and then you just scroll through the menu until you get to the back, which will take you out of that menu, and then get to that menu and just scroll through that, and it will take you back to the main page. There we go. So you can see on the top left actually of that picture that the time is now set. So entering a heating program gets a little bit more complicated now, but it is easier. It's a lot easier on these new style panels. There used to be 5 or 6 buttons on these heaters, but it's actually quite a lot simpler on the Lot 20 heaters. So go into configuration, and then where it says program off on, make sure that the program is on, so that you're taking it out of manual mode by doing that. Then go to programs, scroll through to programs. If you go into C, once you're in programs, it'll tell you if there are any time set already. On this heater there's nothing set, so then we just scroll to set the time. First of all, select which days you want to do. I'm going to do Monday to Friday, so literally scroll through the days, press OK, and then a little cross comes up underneath in the square underneath the day. That's selected. Days you don't want, just scroll through, and once you get past Sunday, just press OK on the click, and then go in the set frames, press OK, and then put your start time in. I'm going for 6:30 AM. Literally you just push up or down, whichever way you want the time to go, and then I'm going to stop it at 7:30. So just want to put an hour in the morning. So I'm going to press OK then when you get done the minutes, and it comes on to end time. And just click that up an hour, 7:30, and it asks you what temperature do you want it to be on when that time setting comes on. I'm just going to put it at 18 degrees. Then scroll through, back, and then you scroll through the menus again. Something there called Smart Start. That's well worth a look. I'll do another video on that actually, because that's worth looking at. It's quite a good feature that can save you some money on bills. And then just go back through the menus and then back up to the main page. If you miss the back, just keep scrolling, it goes round basically, and then back again, and there we are on the main screen. So it's timed now and it's heating at the moment. So there it is. I hope that helps if you've got Aeroflow heaters. If you're looking into getting them, then give us a call. We can give you some advice, and if you want to have a free survey, we can come to your house and tell you what sort of heating would be ideal for you. So just give us a call on that number, or if you want more information, go to our website, londonelectricradiators.co.uk. Thank you.